Yes, I want make una watch this video. The video before
He was telling me last month, I want to dash you a private jet. I said, no, I don't need it now. Journal manager. Manager was the one that called the person. That Brother Ebuka, oh, we're not Chimubua. That's what people think. No. A time is coming very soon. Woo! Amen and amen.
Amen.
When there is time for everything.
So I just got up from sleep now and I saw a particular video of Ebuka Obi, the pastor Ebuka Obi, saying that somebody wants to gift him a private jet. That somebody wants to dash him a private jet. That a man wants to gift him a private jet, but he doesn't want a private jet now. That the man have been calling to gift him this private jet. But he told him, no, I don't want a private jet now. Oge Erube. That his members and the world should go and ask his manager. That his manager knows that there is this man that have been calling to gift him a private jet. But he said no, that he doesn't want now. You people should go and ask his manager. I know a lot of gullible, useless Nigerians are going to believe that somebody wants to dash their daddy a private jet. Bia Pastor Churchani, Daddy Churchani, put out from that lies. Come out from that lies that smells from the pit of hell. Because that is a lie. Nobody wants to dash you a private jet. Bia Daddy Churchani, a private jet, so go and buy private jet.
Biananya, this girl, listen to me. Right now, you people know the fear of God. You people know the fear God. You people know the fear Jesus. Because I believe that Ona no believe in Jesus. That is why Ona know the fear his servant. Ebuka Obi kuloku. Ona actually netu isokuye. Na lie. Do you think that you and Ebuka Obi is the same level? I know that you don't call his name completely, but we know that you are talking to Ebuka Obi. Yes, we know that you are talking to him. Gonna have the same level. Do you think that you and Ebuka Obi they're the same level? Even some of his sons and daughters, you never reach their level. Even the people that Evangelist Ebuka Obi pay monthly salary can feed you, can carry you, come to their house, feed you, take care of you. In a give a private jet, or you are looking to him that Ebuka Obi will be level to train sons and daughters that can buy him private jet. Or is it because of Ebuka Obi is an Igbo man? That is why just in a hurry. That is why you are talking this thing on social media, because he's an Igbo man. Because we're gonna see the same from the same tribe. Other ministers of God, no private jet. What is wrong with you? No Kurunamade try dash a private jet. That means Ebuka connection with Indo when you can go a private jet. It's not going on the same level. It's not going on the same level. It's not going on young one and done on the same level. It's another neighbor Ebuka on the same level. Can't you fear God? I know that you people are not fearing Jesus because you people do not believe in Christianity. I know. But if you are not believing in Christianity, that's only pastor more money of God when I hijack you to see and ask what did they do this generation? What did they do you people? If a pastor talk anything, when I go hijack that thing where pastor talk, they to listen. What thing concern you that Evangelist Ebuka Obi said that somebody want to dash him private jet? He said no. Do you think that he's lying? Think they're going to be kind of the same level. I think that those guys in the Buhari gonna moto gonna hand us to highest for that shall go 20,000 or 10,000 naira. It's another Evangelist Ebuka Obi on the same level. It's another Evangelist Ebuka Obi on the same level. Ebuka Obi walk in hatchery. If any me do na this Facebook, what thing they do you people on this Facebook? On aga kwalo ngunu. On aga kwalo ngunu. Una na achọ na achọ ọnụ na akọ ihe nwere isi n'ọdụ. Ị na-achọ followers, ị na-achọ get popular, ị na-achọ ego monetization. Ị na-akọ ihe agbasara go, mmadụ kwuchi okwu na ewere the thing to we say ya, kọtụrụ ebe nga kọtụrụ, to we say na akọ ihe juru n'ọnụ.